feel like it's been a very long time since I turned on this camera and talking to you guys. Last time I filmed, it was very gloomy, rainy day, so it was very opposite to right now. So it's been a very active 3 months. So it was a nice reminder how much I love cycling.
What are you reading?
Reading Starry Flag.
Wow, so smart.
I've been carrying this for the last 3 years, never read it. But trying to get it done. So now I gotta head out to brunch with Katharina that I spent majority time in Da Nang, but she's leaving tomorrow, so...
Did you pack your stuff?
I will do it last second.
How long does it take for you?
25 minutes to be precise.
What is this?
It's Russian vareniki with cherry.
Wait, is that?
People often ask me how I find accommodation while moving around. I usually use Airbnb for shorter stays. It gives me peace of mind because you can check reviews, book with verified hosts, pay securely, and get support if anything goes wrong. Facebook is usually much cheaper since you're renting directly, but it comes with more risk because scams and misleading listings do happen. If you're staying for a few months or longer, I'd go with Facebook. Just make sure you find a trustworthy agent or landlord first.
Come on. One more? Come on. I ordered some Korean fruits. A lot. Oh, there were water. So good. I'm so scared to drip in this white paper. This place is so good. So I just wanted to catch up a little bit with you guys. It was my home food in Da Nang. I'm enjoying time here. And I recently even went to a Vietnamese wedding, Tiffany Anton's wedding. It was super cool experiences, and I was super grateful that I was chosen as bridesmaid and wearing the traditional Vietnamese clothes that Tiffany prepared. So that was super interesting to see. It was a beautiful wedding and seeing them happy. I feel like for the last 3 months you develop like friendship with people you met, and some of them are you actually met last year as well, because this kind of high season people come here because the weather is good, so hanging out with them and getting to know them better, it's been definitely interesting.
Hi, Gibem. Can you hear me?
I just finished the meeting. It went really well. I hope I get the opportunity. That would be so cool. I'm so excited. But I'm trying to be chill, detached from the result. Otherwise, I will be disappointed. So I just came to my favorite Japanese restaurant in Da Nang. I think I already came here like 6 times already. So I'm waiting for check-in. Just came here. Just editing my YouTube video today. I struggle to upload a regular basis, and I try to make the momentum, but it's very hard when you do this for a living as well. So I try to balance out. I'm getting better. I think I upload 10 days ago. I try to upload 1 a week. So far it's getting closer. So tomorrow hopefully I can upload this video.